7 days in a week. Okay, we have 7 days in a week. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? 7 days. Let's repeat again. We have Monday, Monday, Monday. We have Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. We have Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Then we have Friday, Friday. We have Saturday, Saturday. We have Sunday, Sunday. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.